Monday morning, October 6, 2025. See, the green line is flat today. The date's at the bottom on the 6th here. We're drifting across between the 0 and the 10 line until about 1300 today. Then we start to get a push down into late tonight. At about 2200 hours, we bottom out. And then we're pushing all the way up through Tuesday into Wednesday. We get up above the plus 10 line around 2 a.m. and then we're sideways above plus 10 in bullish territory till we start to push down at around 11 a.m. on the 8th. We bottom out on the 9th early morning between 3 and 4 a.m. and then we push up through the day and then flatten out on the plus 10 line until we peak here at 2 a.m. on the 10th, Friday, and we're down through the rest of the session. The important blue line spikes this week are right here today, later tonight, at near the end of the day session at 1600, and then at 1800 today. Tomorrow we have a key bottom between the 11 and 12 hour. Then nothing till Wednesday morning. We've got a flat bottom between 3 and 5 a.m. here. And then we've got kind of a rounding top at the 10 line right there at between 9 and 10 a.m. And then we've got two touches at the minus 10 line at about 1500 on Wednesday, and then we bottom out on the 9th, Thursday, here at 2:05 a.m. We've got a peak in the evening or late afternoon at 1600 near the close of the day session, and then a big spike high early Friday morning in the 2 o'clock hour on the blue line. So that's what we're looking at for the week ahead.